And hello and welcome back to my channel. Josie here. Another mouth-watering recipe I prepared for you today. It's the easiest crispy buffalo chicken wings with that perfect spicy kick. These hot wing ones could inspire a game day. But before we continue, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will get to see my great recipes. So, without further ado, let's get started. So I already cut my chicken wings, but I have one here that I didn't cut yet, and I'm going to show you how to make the drummettes and the wingette. So in between here, you're going to remove that part. And you're just going to make a slit right there and break. And in between that tendon, you're just going to cut it. And you have the wingette and the drummettes.